Welcome to the chart section of the SFX software. Powered by Grafana, this section offers users a broad array of options for presenting data. All the data gathered by the system is displayed here in real time. This tutorial explains how the data presented in each section can be viewed and manipulated for the best user experience. Let's begin in the top left corner of the screen. The data in this graph overlays the flow rates from both the carbon dioxide and optional co-solvent pump. If no flow meter is installed, the graph displays the set points throughout the process. By hovering the mouse over the curve, you can view individual data points. A pop-up box attached to the cursor will then display each data point to specific time. Now we move to the lower left corner of the screen. This plot shows the pressure data from all the pressure transducers within the system. Each plot represents the readings from a different transducer, allowing for a comprehensive view of the pressure variations across the entire system. The graph correlates the pressures from the carbon dioxide pump, the optional co-solvent pump, the automatic back pressure regulator, and the separators. On the right-hand side, there are three graphs representing temperature data. Each graph corresponds to different sections of the system. The first graph shows the incoming carbon dioxide temperature. This data is important to ensure that the carbon dioxide being delivered to the pump remains below 5 degrees Celsius. If the incoming temperature of the liquid carbon dioxide is too high, it may turn gaseous, reducing the pump's efficiency. This data is taken from a thermocouple located near the condenser and within the optional flow meter. Note: in some cases, the temperature readings from the condenser thermocouple and the flow meter may differ. This variation is due to the placement of the thermocouple within the flow meter. The graph directly below shows the extraction temperatures, correlating data from the preheater, vessel 1 and 2, automatic back pressure regulator, and the vaporizer. Except for the vaporizer, these temperatures represent the high pressure side of the system, where either the reaction or extraction is occurring. This section compares temperatures at various points in the process, starting with the preheater, followed by the extraction vessel temperature, and finally measuring the temperature of the carbon dioxide as it leaves the extractor. The graph in the bottom right displays temperatures from the low pressure side of the system, representing the collection temperatures and correlating data from the separators. By separating the temperatures into different sections, it becomes easier to compare what's happening within the system and to determine the physical location of each thermocouple in case of a potential issue. While this is the standard layout, you can overlay data in any combination, including data not currently displayed, to create custom dashboards. Contact call separations to discuss your specific requirements. Finally, the displayed data can be adjusted to show a specific time range from this menu. On the right-hand side, data can be viewed using common time points. On the left-hand side, you can search for data from previous runs by specifying dates and times, spanning the system's lifetime. The SQL database logs all data while the PC or system is powered. Finally, the button on the far right changes the refresh rate of the data being collected. Real-time data collection is crucial for monitoring the progress of an extraction, enabling process diagnosis, optimization, and eventual scale-up. This feature comes standard on all core separation systems.